Amanda.
And I'm Wooly.
Today we're going to make an apple pie.
My favorite is peach pie.
What's your favorite kind of pie? That sounds delicious. Today we're going to make an apple pie. First, we need to cut the apples. Do you know what we can use to cut the apples? Good job! We can use a sharp knife.
I don't think we're supposed to do that by ourselves.
It's always good to be brave when you're by yourself. Look, I'm a pirate! Ha
That doesn't seem safe.
Okay, Willie, let's cut the apple. That was hard. We have almost everything we need to make our pie. We just need some sugar. Do you know where we keep the sugar? Is it in the pantry, the refrigerator, or the sink? Great! Let's make a pie. Can you smell the apples and cinnamon? Okay, it's time to bake a pie. First, preheat the oven to 425.
I don't think we should be using the oven by ourselves. We should always ask a parent to help.
I'm not sure where they are right now. We're on our own, Willie. First, preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Then, put the apples into the pie tin. Now, put it in the oven and bake it for 40 minutes. Our pie is ready! I can't wait to eat it! Willie, let's have some pie! Hi, friends. I'm Amanda.
And I'm Wooly.
What do you like best about your neighborhood? That's great! I like that there are so many friends in my neighborhood. Today, I want to send something special to my friend. First, I need to go to the store to buy them a card. Do you know where the store is? Good job! Let's go to the store! Let's pick out a card. My friend helped me when I was sad. What kind of card should I send them? Do you think that's what they need? It's not their birthday. What do you say when someone helps you? Great! I found the perfect card! Time for the next errand! When friends do nice things, it's important to thank them. I want to get my friend a special treat.
Can I have a special treat?
I want to get my friend a special treat. Where can I buy a treat for my friend? Good job! Let's go get that treat!
Everything smells so good.
I want to buy my friend some cookies. Can you show me where the cookies are? I don't think my friend will like that. I can't mail that to my friend. Those look so tasty! We just have one more stop in the neighborhood. The package is ready for my friend. They live pretty far from me, so we need to mail it.
Wow, it's getting late. Most of the stores are closed. We probably can't send that now.
I have to send this to my friend. It's time to go to the post office. Let's send this package to my friend. Their name is... Wait, I don't remember. Can you help me?
We can come back tomorrow. You don't have to send that now.
No, I have to send this to my friend. Help me. Who does the package need to go to? No, that's not my friend's name. You have to know their name. Great work! Now we can send this to my friend. I hope she likes the cookies.
Oh, it's you. Whatever you do, don't...
Oh no! Willie had an accident! An accident is when something bad happens, but it's not anybody's fault. Accidents can happen in your house, at school, at the playground. You can get hurt almost everywhere. At 3:45 this afternoon, we were playing and Wooly tripped and fell.
I didn't try...
Where on Wooly does it look like he got hurt? That's right! Willie hurt his knee. Who can help when you are hurting? I don't think they can help. Don't you want to help Willie? Let's take Wooly to the hospital to see a doctor. Which room should we go into to find the right doctor to help Wooly? Come on, let's get Wooly fixed up.
Amanda, this really hurts. When is the doctor going
The doctor isn't here right now. Let's see how we can help Wooly. Which tool can we use to check Wooly's injury? The heart monitor, the x-ray machine, or the scale? That's right! Now we can look at Wooly's bones. And I'm Amanda.
And I'm Wooly.
It's such a nice day for a picnic. What's your favorite food to eat at a picnic? Oh, I don't like that at all.
Amanda, what's that smell? I've never smelled anything like that.
I don't know, Wooly. You're right. It's a bad smell. What do you think is making that bad smell? You're right. This sandwich is stinky because it's rotting. This tree stump is rotting too. Do you know why? Things rot when they are not alive anymore. Do you know what the opposite of alive is? That's right. The tree stump is dead. Dead is the opposite of alive. Good job! Plants can die if they don't get enough light or water, or if they get a disease.
Let's go back to our nice picnic.
Animals can die in different ways too. Look at poor Mr. Fox. He is dead and rotting. What do you think killed him? The gun, the knife, or the poisonous berries on this bush? I don't think that was it. No, it wasn't that. Look at his funny tongue. He's silly. What killed him? Wouldn't it be nice if he could tell us? Mr. Fox, what made you die? It was the ugly old bear trap. Mr. Fox didn't even know what got him until it was too late.
Amanda, this has gone too far. I don't like this.
We saw so many things today! A rotting sandwich, a rotting tree stump, and silly old rotting Mr. Fox. Sometimes I feel myself rotting. But it feels far away.
Amanda, nothing is rotten here.
What do you think? Do you think that everything rots?
Of course not, Amanda.
I'm not asking you. Answer my question.
You don't have to answer that.
Why won't you answer my question? You have to tell me. Don't you want to be my friend? Please, answer my question. I think it might be too late. Amanda.
And I'm Wooly.
Today we're going to make an apple pie.
My favorite is peach pie.
What's your favorite kind of pie? That sounds delicious. Today we're going to make an apple pie. First, we need to cut the apples. Do you know what we... Good job! We can... Hi there, I'm Amanda.
And I'm Wooly. Amanda, maybe some of our friends can come back to the neighborhood?
That's great! I like that there are so many friends in my neighborhood. Today, I want to send something special to my friend. First, I need to go to the store to buy them a card. Do you know where the store is? Good job! Let's go to the store! Let's pick out a card. My friend... Something bad happened. What kind of card should I send them? That's not the right card. I don't think we want this.
I think Amanda is confused. Shh, here's a secret. It's my birthday. Maybe we can help her out.
Are you sure that's right? I
It
don't...
looks like it. I bet your friend is really going to love this card.
My friend is... My friend... My friend is having a birthday! I want to get my friend a special treat. Where can I buy a treat for my friend? Oh, I know! Let's get them some nice candy. Do you know where the candy store is? Great! Why did you do that? Now I can't find the candy store. I don't know where to go. Can you help me? Don't do that! I don't want to go there. I said I don't want to go in there! No! Why is this happening? No! Why can't I stop it?
This isn't the candy store.
There is nothing here that I want.
Maybe you can take us someplace else?
I want to get my friend a special treat.
That's not funny.
I want to get my friend a special treat. Let me out of here!
Oh, Amanda. That's a nice birthday card. Do you want to give it to your friend now?
Will you address the card? Who should I send this to? Oh, Wooly, it's your birthday! Hi, friends. I'm Amanda.
And I'm Wooly. Bah.
Wooly just made an animal sound. He said bah because he is a sheep. Can you make a sound like a sheep? That's great. You sound just like Wooly.
Wow, yeah. You sound just like me.
The thunderstorm goes.
At a petting zoo. There are lots of animals here to pet and play with. It's fun to spend time with animals. They are very different from people. They look different and they don't talk like people.
Amanda, I'm an animal, and
Animals don't talk, silly. Look at these signs. Let's make sounds like the animals on the signs. Are you ready? A goat says, Meh, meh. A chicken says. A pig says. Like. Fun! Animals make funny sounds. Do you have a family? Animals have families too. Let's go see one of the animal families. I want to see the chickens. Can you show me where the chickens are? Great! Let's go see those silly chickens.
What a cute fib.
Having a family is nice. I see a mommy chicken and baby chickens, and I see a daddy chicken. Look at the chickens. Do you know what the daddy is called? The daddy is called a rooster. The mommy is a hen, and the babies are chicks. Some mommies eat their babies. Yum, yum. Okay, let's go see some more animal families. Where should we go next? I think it's time to visit the sheep. Can you tell me where we can find the sheep? Ew, I don't want to see those. They're scary. I don't want to go near... that. The sheep are waiting for us. Where are they? Okay, let's go! Look at the nice sheep family. All the sheep are right where they belong. Hi, little kitten. Where is your family? It looks like this kitten is all by herself. How do you think she feels? She must be so scared. There's nobody to love her. This kitten is alone. There is no one to help her. Will you help the lonely kitten? That's not where they are. Don't you know what a chicken looks like? I want to go look at the chickens. Great! Let's go see those silly chickens.
What a cute fib.
Having a family is nice. I see a mommy chicken and baby chickens, and I see a daddy chicken. Look at the chickens. Do you know what the daddy is called? No, that's not what they're called. Try.
The tornado goes.
Again. The daddy is called a rooster. The mommy is a hen, and the babies are chicks. Some mommies eat their babies. Yum, yum. Okay, let's go see some more animal families. where should we go next? I think it's time to visit the sheep. Can you tell me where we can find the sheep? Ew, I don't want to see those. They're scary. I don't want to go near... Okay, let's go! This kitten is a... And I'm Amanda.
And I'm Wooly. What's that smell?
What do you think is making that bad smell? No, that looks fine. You're right! Do you know what the opposite of alive is? Dead is the opposite of alive. Good job! When an animal dies, it rots too. It looks like this kitten is in big trouble. It might die before anyone can help it. Should we help the kitten?
Hello, I am Blambot. I think this is going to be fun.
That sounds... Good job! Great! Let's make a pie! Hi, friends. I'm Amanda.
And I'm Wooly.
Good job. Let's...
One, 5, 0, 3, 2, 5. Send my condolences to Kate.
I don't want to play anymore right now.
Zero, 8, 1, 8, 2, 1, 325 Fahrenheit at 30 minutes. Four, 2, 1, 3, 0. What's in the card is on the cake. Eight, 3, 5, 1, 6, 1, C, D, F, E.
We don't have much time. Do you trust me?
Wooly, ready for an adventure?
Amanda, you know you can't...
Wooly had an accident. When a friend has an accident, sometimes nobody can help them. But we can try.
No, Amanda. I'm fine. I just,
Poor Wooly is so confused. We really have to help him. First, we have to know what is wrong. What part of Wooly is broken? Isn't Wooly acting strange? What could be wrong? Don't you care about Wooly? He needs our help. If we don't fix him now, things will get very, very bad. Wooly's head is broken, but Dr. Amanda is here to help. Let's prepare the patient. Here, Wooly, drink this.
I don't know, Amanda.
It's all just pretend, isn't it, Wooly?
Amanda, I feel,
We need to operate immediately on the patient's brain. What tool should we use to fix Wooly's head? The saw, the hammer, or the forceps? That might be helpful, but what else could we use? things could get really messy if we use that. That looks hard to use, but I could try. I tricked you! We're going to use all three! The patient is getting rowdy. I'll need a little help here.
Help me! Please!
So, who are you going to help? You're not going to help me? I can do this by myself. No way!
I'm blue.
Hi! Trap door treat!
I'm allergic to apples.
How many chairs? How many mushrooms? How many fruit? How many plates? Oh, 1, 2, 5, 8.
Four, 0, 1, 2, 5, 8. The treasure is in the chest. Obviously. But first you need the key to my heart. Because it is not what you have on the outside that matters. It is what you keep on the inside that really counts. Has our relationship really meant nothing? I will show you number combinations you've never even dreamt of. Give me another chance. No, wait. Please. I will do anything, please. I am begging you. I love you. There, I said it. I am in love with you.
We don't have much time.
You are not leaving. We were going to have such a beautiful life together.
Hi, I'm Amanda. When you're friends, you can share all kinds of things with each other. I can share my crayons with you, so you can have fun coloring too. Look at silly Mr. Fox. Sharing shows you care about someone. Friends can share toys. They can share snacks. I'll share some of my snacks with you. Which snack would you like? Yum, that's my favorite. Friends can share other things too. They can share secrets. Can I share a secret with you? Are you sure? It's a big secret. Is it really okay to share my secret with you? I'm out there. Somewhere.